Hello, good morning. This is Nas from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Today, we're going to solve a motion problem under physics lesson number 41. Date today is September the 5th, 2024. Welcome, everyone. So, before I get started, I would like for you guys to jot down these three equations of motions, which I have shown you in the past also. And also I showed you how we derived them using some graphs, if you recall. So these three equations throughout your physics career, okay, either you are solving a motion in horizontal direction or vertical motion, you will use these three equations, okay? So when I was a student and I used to, take the exam, I used to write down these three equations, okay, and then start solving the numerical problems. And based on what's given in the problem, okay, what we need to find out, I used to pick one of these equations, okay, and that is my intention today. I want to solve a problem and then I want to show you the art of picking an equation, okay, which equation you want to pick. So that's my intention. Okay, here's the scenario. There is a boat in the sea which is in trouble, okay? So they basically send a wireless page to Coast Guard. Hey, we're in trouble. Can you come and rescue us? So the Coast Guard helicopter comes. The problem is that none of these people on the boat have life vest. So the helicopter folks drop a life vest at 50 meter per second towards the boat. Okay. Question is, what is the distance between helicopter and boat? And the second question is, how much time did it take from helicopter for the live vest to be dropped from helicopter to the boat? Okay. So let's look and see what's given. What do we have? Okay. So when we see the helicopter top right here, when the vest has not dropped, y0 is equal to 0. When we look at the helicopter, it's basically in the air steady. So the velocity v naught is equal to 0. Okay, no rocket science over here. What we need to do is we need to find y. Okay, what else is given? We are given velocity with which the vest drops. It's going to be minus 50 meter per second. Why? Because it's dropping down. It's just a matter of orientation. Going up positive, going down negative. And then acceleration, which is also the gravity, is minus 9.8 meter per second square. For the same reason, orientation coming down. Now, based on what's given, let's examine these three equations and see which one we can use. Well, t is not given, right? So definitely I can't use number one because number one has t in there. Number two also wants t. I can't use that. Number three, I can use it because there's no t in there. Bingo. That's the approach I want you to use, when you're solving the problem. So let's look at this. Equation number three, we say minus 50 square, I'm using this, is equal to 0 square plus 2 into a is equal to g minus 9.8, and y is what we need to find. So if we do the math, we get 2500 is equal to minus 19.6 y, and when you solve for y, you get minus 127.55 meter. So it makes sense, the negative signs, because we are basically measuring the distance from top to bottom. So this distance from helicopter to the boat is 127.55 meters. Now we got to find out the time. Okay. So in order to find out the time, let's do that in red. Okay. Which equation can I use? Well, I have the final velocity. It's already given 50 meters per second. I have the initial velocity 0. Okay. I have the acceleration. So why not use number two? Easy peasy. So then we have minus 50. I'm using equation number 2. Minus 50 is equal to 0 plus minus 9.8, because acceleration coming down is 9.8 minus times t. When you solve this, my friends, you get minus 50 over minus 9.8, you get 5.10 seconds. So here you go. We found the y, okay, which is right here, the distance between helicopter and the boat, and how long did it take for the vest to arrive from helicopter to the boat? 5.10 seconds. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I will come back with more lessons. Just keep following, keep watching, keep sharing, and keep giving me likes. Thank you. Take care.